Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the difficulty setting in Horror Tale 1. If you're finding the game too hard or too easy, adjusting the difficulty will help you enjoy the game at your preferred pace. So let's get started. First of all, launch open Horror Tale 1 on your Android or your iOS device and wait for the game to load to the main menu. Once you're in the main menu, go ahead and tap on the New Game button and then you'll be asked to choose the difficulty setting. You can go ahead and choose the difficulty according to your preference. Choose the one that fits your playstyle and then click on play. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change the difficulty level in your Horror Tale 1 game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.